Hey guys, Tony, good morning. I did want to make a really quick TA video on AMC. I think the last time I think I made one, what, yesterday? I don't remember when, but we're basically running to the high side, like I told you guys last time. Definitely still think that we're gonna keep running up. We already broke that downtrend that we had from a while ago, right there, right? Very first week that we break that downtrend, right? I think as soon as you cross that 45, as soon as you break that 45, what is it called? Um, Resistance level, I think you're headed straight to 52 bucks. Keep in mind, there's no resistance right here, right? So, I mean, there's two things that can happen. You either shoot straight up or you run up like somewhere right here and then come back down, retest, and then go up. The charts are looking pretty bullish on AMC, especially after this bear cancel that happened right here. So, right here, AMC tried to go bearish and then it immediately got canceled. Um, and it created another bullish cycle right here on this pop, and it's what led to breaking that trend and breaking support. So if you're actually zooming in a little bit further in the chart, you can see that you actually already had that break of 45, right? You broke 45, created a bear candle, came down, retested, and more than likely you're gonna have a bullish candle right here, run up, or you're gonna come all the way back down to trend, retest, and then run to the upside. But I think as of right now, everything looks pretty bullish on AMC. There's no reason for me to be bearish at all. If you're part of the Patreon, keep an eye on the 30 minute. It seems like every single instance it's been respecting it pretty well. You guys can see from back here on November 4th, it just kept running, running. Every single push has been bigger than the one before, so I am expecting today's push to be even bigger. And as you guys know, if the stochastic is already overbought and we're creating bullish triggers on the reverse MACD, you start to see these bigger violent moves to the upside. So I can definitely expect something like what was it from here? Just a real quick guess, right? So I can probably expect something else like this to happen more than likely sometime today, maybe. I don't know. So what? Maybe like a price target of like 49, 50 bucks today, which is what's today, Tuesday? Yeah, maybe it might hit 50 bucks today, honestly. It looks like it can. If it's about to create another bullish trigger on the 30 minute, keep in mind it's under that zero mark and we're overbought on the stochastic. So I mean, it's essentially creating an overextended perfect buy zone, right? Or you can kind of call it a violent close. And what I mean by that is when you're already overbought on a certain ticker, right? Whether it be crypto or meme stocks or whatever, um, they things tend to rise a lot faster, and you have these insane violent pushes to the upside. So I just like to call them violent closes because this is where you actually see really big moves, right? So I think right now you might see another big push like you did right here, which was like from 41 to like 45 bucks. You might see another $4 push to the upside. So I would not be surprised if we see AMC at like $49 today or sometime tomorrow. But it does look like you're going to be closing bullish pretty soon. And you're going to keep running to the upside. But again, there's only really like two things that can happen. You either keep pushing hard to the upside or you come back down here, retest trend on the upper side and keep going. I don't think AMC is gonna like drop like crazy to like $36 again. I mean, I don't think so. There's too much momentum to the high side, and you just closed a bullish week, right? Last week, this would technically be your ongoing second bullish week. And usually, AMC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, generally after you close a bullish week, AMC likes to keep running for another like 3 weeks. So you're really on first. This is the second week. So technically you have the rest of this week, next week, and the week after for AMC to keep running to the upside. So if you see a massive move on GameStop, I ideally, right, in a perfect world, you can basically grab all of your gains from GameStop because historically GameStop only likes running creates peak on its second week of its bullish close, and that's this week. So if GameStop actually ends up running super hard this week and peaking somewhere, ideally the best play would be to grab all of your winnings from GameStop and then throw it into like another week or 2 week out calls on AMC for maybe like, I don't know, 45 bucks or 52 bucks. Doesn't matter. I don't know. That would be like a really good play just off the top of my head. But yeah, AMC's gonna. I think it's gonna keep going up. I think we might even see $49, $50 later today. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.